Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at your disposal: a screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, organized workspace. First, power down your device completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is critical to avoid any electrical damage during the extraction process. Next, put on your anti-static wrist strap to prevent static electricity from damaging the internal components. Start by removing the screws from the device casing. Depending on the model, you may need a Phillips or Torx screwdriver. Keep track of these screws as you will need them to reassemble the device later. Once the casing is open, locate the hard drive. It is usually secured by additional screws or brackets. Carefully unscrew these fasteners and gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If the hard drive is connected via a cable, disconnect it by gently pulling on the connector. Avoid yanking or pulling on the wires directly. Now that the hard drive is out, it's advisable to clean the internal compartment of the device. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This can help improve airflow and prevent overheating when you use the device in the future. If you find any issue with the hard drive or if you're not comfortable proceeding, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help you identify any underlying problems without any pressure to repair. Before reassembling, take a moment to check the hard drive for any visible damage. If you notice any signs of wear or failure, consider reaching out for assistance. If you don't have the tools or expertise to handle this, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get the help you need without hassle. After inspecting the hard drive, if everything looks good, it's time to reassemble the device. Place the hard drive back into its bay, reconnect the cables, and secure it with the previously removed screws. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Replace the device casing and screw it back together, ensuring no screws are left out. If you have any doubts about your repair, remember we also offer a quote before repair so you can be fully informed of any costs involved. Finally, power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. With the right tools and careful attention, extracting a hard drive can be a straightforward task. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.